Abkhazia has won its first gold medal at the BRICS Games. The honour was brought to the Republic by young boxer German Ardzeniya. In the final bout, he emerged victorious against a boxer from Uzbekistan, competing in the 60 kilograms weight category. I feel immense joy and pride representing my republic, Abkhazia, under its national flag. It's the first time our country has been invited to such significant sporting events. I am very proud to have won the gold. The fight was extremely tough, but I managed to gather all my physical and mental strength to achieve this victory, said Ardzeniya after the match. His first coach was Zologwa. Abkhazia's team at the BRICS Games has also secured 1 silver and 4 bronze medals, in addition to Ardzeniya's gold.
Лаша когоне ха агацара студия кынпи яцыр зойти шуды снөхлойц коллега чашаргем.